Hi friends, this is Layla Harris. Today I want to show you my Something Fierce workshop for kids that I am hosting in April. First, we're going to start out with a banner that says Go Wild with our fun dinosaur print paper. And then we're going to make 2 cards that you can stamp however you like. I've done these with kind of a boy print, but there's also lots of pinks and yellows and that with these cards. And then we are going to make a 6x6 mini album. And this can be customized any way you like it. For me, I did it for my son's baseball, and you will see inside that this had his year last year. And it doesn't have too many dinosaurs inside because dinosaurs were not part of his baseball team. It has several interactive flaps. One here, which is a plastic flip flap, some paper flaps, and then it opens up. So it actually spans about 24 inches. And here you can see when he played for Little League last year. In the middle is some great stickers that I put on there, and you can customize this however you or your child like to do. There are tons of stickers and scrapbook elements that I didn't use, but you will be able to take home for this kit so that you can complete the mini album or embellish the cards and the banner however you like. There's more dinosaurs and cut apart words, as well as these chipboard and sticker elements. This is going to be a really fun project for you and your child, and you can break it apart for multiple family members, or you can let one person do it on their own. So please register early so that I know how many people are coming and I can order your supplies for your kit. Let me know if you have any questions, and have a great day.